Hello, here's an improved step-by-step instruction of how to upload and embed your videos to myMedia and then ultimately your D2L viewing group. So you'll go into your computer and you'll select your web browser. Remember, it is important to not use Internet Explorer. So I'm going to go down here. I use Google Chrome as my preferred browser. You could also use Mozilla Firefox, and if you're a Mac user, please use Safari. So then the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go to myMedia. And I'm already logged in, but just to show you how to log in, I'll log out. So this is the screen that you'll come to when you go to myMedia. So it's my first and last name, and then the same password I use for all of my other Inside State, My State accounts. So now I've come to this screen. I'm going to click on this. It'll have Home and Upload Media. I'm going to click Upload Media. Then I'm going to select Pick Files. This is my folder for Summer 101, and I'm going to go down and select Example, Intro. I'm going to click Open. So if you get to this far and nothing's happening, this is the correct thing that should be happening, because there's one more step before the video will upload to myMedia. You're going to select Department and select Speech Communication. And then this is often wonky, so you don't have to pick a course. You can click Next. And so then you'll see the video is uploading. You can see the progress by this green bar here. And so in order to upload it quicker, you're going to have high-speed internet access. As with anything for this course, it's going to make the course much easier to have secure high-speed internet access. So as the video is uploading, it's doing its thing. And then once it uploads, it will become part of, you'll see over here what's called My Assets. And here's the video I uploaded. And if you click on the thumbnail, it's going to pop you up to this screen. So if you were to go back just to the list of My Assets and go to click Share here, it's only going to give you the option to email assets. So you need to click on the thumbnail, and when you're on this screen with all of the icons and editing features here on the left toggle, you've got File, you could download, delete, share, and when you highlight, if you click Share, it's going to give you the option to email or embed. And you're going to want to select embed. And it's going to give you this HTML code that if you're not a computer coder, you're not going to necessarily know what all it means. But the important thing is that you're going to highlight that and then copy. And to copy on a PC, I just hit Control-C. And then this keeps popping up, I apologize. And then I'm going to go just in the same web browser, but in a new tab. I'm going to go to D2L. I think it works best to keep 2 tabs open during this process. And then I'll select my Summer Speech 101 class. I'll go to Communications, select Discuss, and then I'll scroll down to the assignment that I want to upload my video for, introductory video. I'm going to select my group. I'm going to start a new thread. Type in my subject, my first and last name, and the assignment. And then I'm going to click these little ellipses, select this icon for Insert Stuff. I'm going to enter my embed code, And so here, all I have to do is click Control V, and that code from this page is now copied into here. And I'm going to click Next when I'm back into D2L. My video is there. Insert. Scroll down. Select Post. And voila. And then you can go back to double check, make sure it uploaded and embedded properly. There you see it has. And that is the simple task of uploading and embedding your video from myMedia to D2L. I will note that it is important to have this process done from a PC. The mobile capabilities are not certain, so make sure that you're using a laptop or a desktop in order to upload and embed. Thanks so much.